Okay, welcome back to California Gardener. Whether you have a greenhouse or not, planting cucumbers is pretty easy. They grow really well just planted directly into the soil, but if you want to seed start them, they also grow really well in containers. So these are ones that I started in the soil, and these are ones that I started in a container. You see they popping up really nicely. Almost every seed germinates. So I'm gonna plant these in the dirt soon. So usually what I do is I don't thin them out in the pots because I'll just break them apart, and they do transplant really well. So you can just pull the separate plants apart, plant them separately, and then water thoroughly afterwards. And I'll show you exactly what I did. Now down here, I planted some seeds from this package actually, and I think it was an older package of seeds, because I planted it in this area and nothing came up. But you see cucumbers. Well, why do you see cucumbers? Well, good question. You see down here, look at these ones. These ones all look great, and they're single cucumbers coming up out of the ground. You might think they're planted too close, but not really, because you know, some do better than others. Some will get eaten by slugs, some will get chewed off by other bugs. So, and by the end, I'll have enough that survive and they thin themselves out. And I wind them up these strings, so it keeps them all nice and organized, and they produce a lot of cucumbers. So you see those ones, they have come up and they're only one plant, but usually in each hole I put 2 or 3 seeds. So where 2 plants came up, I took one. Now where you only see one, I took a plant out, I just pulled it out, root and everything, and I moved it right over here, and I put them over here. So you see these ones, I always took the uglier plant of the 2 and moved over here, so some of these are not as pretty. But look, this I did it already about a week and a half ago, and they're all surviving. Some get chewed on by slugs, look a little ugly, but they'll survive. And so where I did not have any growth of seeds, I now have cucumbers growing because I planted double somewhere else. I took the excess, I didn't just throw them away, I just moved them to another spot to fill my cucumber garden bed in the greenhouse. Now you can do this anywhere with a lot of plants. A lot of them are tolerant to transplantation if you just will be careful with the root when you pull it out. Pull out some little bit of dirt with it, and then move it over to another area, and right after you do that, water it. Water the plants, it'll get the roots set, and the plant will continue growing. Okay, I hope that helps. You get your cucumber started this year, direct sow or start in a pot, either or works. Good luck gardening. See you later, guys.